How's it going, guys? MC Forgot Milk, and welcome back to another auto video. In this video, I'm going to be telling you a few more auto tricks that you might find interesting. Before we get started, I want to make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more. But as always, let's get back to the video. So tip number one is actually kind of something people don't know about. Let's say you have a rental car, or you just got a new car and you don't know what size your gas gauge is on, or you just keep forgetting for one day. Your car tells you right there. See that little arrow next to the fuel pump? It's telling me that it's on my right side, which indeed the fuel tank is on my right side. So you always want to judge where it is off that little arrow right there, because that arrow obviously points to which side your gas tank is on. Tip number two is with reversing. A lot of people, there's a common misconception of, oh, if I want to turn left, make the rear go that way, you gotta turn it to the right, or vice versa the other way. That is not right. For example, we were always taught, let's put the car in drive. We were always taught that if you want to turn left, turn left. If you want to turn right, turn right. Same is with backing up. Let's say I want to go that way, backing up. You turn the wheel backwards. Oh, hold on, we got to put in reverse. That'll be a good idea. All right, let's say, for example, let's start this. All right. Sorry about my beeping thing. It's the sensor in the back. All right, let's say we're going to go left that way. We turn left. Holy crap, we turn left. Now let's say we want to turn right while backing up. Holy crap, it's actually working. Make sure you're always looking backwards when you reverse, because you never know what's going to be behind you. Because looking at that mirror and that mirror and that mirror is not going to help you. You want to be able to go, look back like this. Make sure you check your sides. You keep looking in your mirrors like this, and just keep doing that. It's easy like that again. Left to go left, right to go right. All right, we all do this. We all are like, we move our wheel enough, and like, uh-oh, I don't know if my wheel's straight. How do you fix that? I'll tell you right now. Okay, first order of business. The wheel can be whatever way, but it needs to be straight. It goes straight in 3 different positions. It'll be left straight, straight, or right straight. So again, make sure the wheel's straight, put the car in drive. All right, wheel straight. Now let's see, move forward a little bit, up, we're turning left. Go one more, we're straight. Again, as you can tell, see, wheel straight. 1 rotation straight, 2 rotations, it doesn't go all the way. And then, to know that, we go straight again, we're straight. 1 rotation to the left, and it doesn't go all the way straight again. So you always want to make sure the wheel's straight, go inch a little forward, stop, readjust yourself. That's the best way to make sure your wheel is straight. The next tip is more for you city folks, because around here we don't have to deal with this, but it's actually a really good tip. So whenever I go into a city, it's a nice thing to know. Like if I go into Philadelphia or New York, it's actually a really good tip to should know. For example, we're riding up to this intersection right here, and there's cars parked all one way, and let's say, oh crap, let's just say there's no cars parked right there. Say all the cars are parked along that way, facing that way. Like, oh crap, is it a one-way or is it a two-way? Best way to tell, look at the signs. If the signs are backwards facing that way, you know it's a two-way. If there were signs like that right there facing that way, and those signs were actually facing the other way, it's a one-way. So you always want to look at the back of the signs. So again, there's definitely you get traffic going left, and you definitely know there's traffic going right because of the signs going backwards. So again, if you're going city driving, pay attention to that, because that can actually save you without going the wrong way, because that's a hefty ticket. Next tip is, let's say you're going up a super steep hill, like really steep, and there's a stop sign or a traffic light, and you stop, then you let go of the brake, and you're in drive, your car's gonna have a tendency to roll backwards. I'm gonna show you how to prevent that. We were never taught this, but what you want to do is, if we're in drive, what you're gonna want to do is you want to have 1 foot on the brake, 1 foot on the accelerator, lightly push on it, and exchange. The best way to do it. Alright, I can't show you this personally because I have a different type of mirror that came with this car. So, let's say you're driving at night and you got those awful headlights behind you. And there's always that little flabby switch that you don't know what to do with. If you have your mirror set right, you can flick it to the point where you can still see, like above, like, let's say you can see all that right now with a normal mirror. If you flick it up, you're gonna see that much. You're still gonna see what's behind you, but the headlights are out of your way. Mine, which is weird, is you see this little opening right here? It's a sensor. So right now you can see it's super clear, but if there's headlights behind me, this will turn blue. So it's like a shield kind of for light, but it doesn't work due to the fact of having tinted windows all around. The only non-tinted windows, this one, the windshield, and this one. Again, everything else is tinted, so it messes with the sensor. But yeah, if you always want to know what the heck this was, and you don't have it, if you look really into it, it's a sensor. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope you enjoyed the tips. Again, I'm just trying to let you guys know a little bit more about driving because, again, a lot of people don't know how to drive in this world, and any little tips and tricks and knowing about your car and knowing that I actually am teaching you something actually makes me really happy. Again, I enjoy doing this. I'm not doing it for the money, I'm not doing it for anything. Just doing it to help you guys, and it's just a nice thing to do. But as always guys, I'll see you in the next one. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe for more. Make sure you follow my Twitter and Instagram, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.